I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn statistics together, step by step. Averages tell us the center of data, but not how spread out it is. This chapter measures that spread through range, mean deviation, variance, and standard deviation. The simplest measure is the range, largest minus smallest. The mean deviation goes further, the average of the absolute distances of the values from the mean. Variance averages the squared deviations from the mean. Squaring removes negatives and emphasizes larger gaps. It is written sigma squared. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance, bringing us back to the original units. The larger it is, the more spread out the data. For 2, 4, 6, the mean is 4. The deviations are -2, 0, 2. Squaring and averaging gives variance 8/3, and the standard deviation is its square root, about 1.63. To recap, dispersion measures spread. The range is the simplest. Variance averages squared deviations, and the standard deviation is its square root in the data's own units. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.